Since October of last year, a new environment began to take shape, not carved by nature, but by intention, a space where ideas, people, and technology would come together. The opening of Villa Schmeidler marked the beginning, a habitat carefully designed, ready to be explored. By November, its character revealed itself, rooms filled with purpose, structures built not just for work, but for collaboration. As winter arrived, the focus shifted to the individuals within. In December, we observed Kenan, a key figure, navigating his role, shaping direction, defining identity. Soon after, the environment transformed once more as the space welcomed a gathering of its wider community, a night of exchange, connection, and shared ambition. The new year brought renewed perspective. In January, Daniel stepped into focus. Another leader, another story, each contributing to the evolving balance of the whole. And as February unfolded, growth became visible. A new member, Osman, entered the system, adapting, integrating, becoming part of the structure. At the same time, knowledge began to flow outward. As the first SAP newsflash emerged, a signal shared beyond the immediate environment. By March, familiarity had turned into confidence. The space, once new, now fully inhabited, its rhythm established. A closer look revealed how each element fits together. And once again, insights were shared, as a second newsflash carried experience even further. Over these months, what began as a foundation has become something more. A system, a network, an ecosystem in motion. And like all evolving environments, its story is still being written.